Taking a look at the FX markets today, the currency markets, I want to focus on the euro today. The euro reversing a two-day sell-off. We're seeing a little bit of strength in the euro today. We're actually seeing strength across the board in all the majors today as the dollar is coming under some pressure. Word of potential impeachment proceedings, I think possibly playing into that mindset. Also, again, the weaker economic structure as well. So the euro now bucking the trend the last couple of days, right around the 1.108 level, and that's that December future. So holding on to the 110 level for the time being. And when you look at some of the factors the market's been contending with the last couple of days, yesterday we had some very weak numbers out of Germany, some weak numbers out of Europe, particularly in the factory sector, and that pushed the euro lower, I believe. Now today we had some very disappointing numbers coming out of the U.S. Consumer confidence to be in particular, and with consumer confidence number was much lower than expected. So I think that's why we saw this reversal taking place today in most of the majors. Also, that impeachment proceeding, I think that's another thing weighing on the markets as well, particularly on the psychology of the markets right now. Looking at some of the driving factors from a trend standpoint, I think it's really important to point out that we did not take out those September lows, at least to this point now. But September 3rd, I believe, was the low in the euro, below the 110 level. We're still holding on to that level, but certainly when you look at it from a technical standpoint, we're down at the lower end of the range, and you are still seeing a series of lower highs and lower lows from a technical standpoint. So it does appear that the euro's trying to build a base here right at this 110 level, but once again, if we continue to see those weaker numbers coming out of the Eurozone, we don't see any type of initiatives here stemming the current trends in place. I would expect the euro to realize further losses relative to the US dollar given the current situation in the marketplace.